Ghana on the Worldwide Network. We're currently at Chenku Waterfall. We had about a 10-minute hike to the actual waterfall, and this is it. And the guy who hosted us explained to us that this waterfall has so many rules. For example, if you have an open cup, you can't go into the water. If you're a lady on her period, you can't go into the water either, because there are gods of the waterfall who apparently don't want any blood in their waterfall. And I can't believe an hour away from my house is this massive waterfall. And that's what I love about Ghana. You haven't got to fly anywhere. Everything is here. There's beaches, there's waterfalls, and they're all natural. Honestly, it's amazing. At the end of Hotspots Ghana edition. I hope you guys enjoyed this journey as much as I did, and I hope when you visit Ghana you come to all these beautiful places. A special thanks to our sponsor, My Natural Paradise, a market leader in skincare.